I designed this book to use with a child who has fine motor development delays to encourage the use of pencil grasp necessary for turning the pages of a book. When turning a page of a book, the pencil grasp must be stable enough to move a page to the other side of the book. This book provides opportunities for the child to practice a stable pencil grasp. This is how I would train both the child and the teacher, or the child and the parent. The book is made up of two different components to assist the child upon fine motor development with bilateral use of hands. The child will take their dominant hand to turn the pages using the popsicle stick from one side to the other. I chose popsicle sticks because this allows a longer handle for the child to practice their pencil grasp. The non-dominant hand will be used to stabilize the book. Once the child masters the popsicle stick component, the activity can be graded up to use the pom-pom in the upper corner of the book. This gives a child visual cues of where to turn the pages to make transference or generalization easier once they transfer to a different book. Each component is color coordinated to establish a simple three-part pattern for sequencing purposes. Once the child masters both components, the activity can be graded up to use a regular book. If I were recommending this to a teacher, I would give the teacher different options for the child to pick from, especially when it comes to reading time at school. I would want to make sure that the child has the opportunity to pick and the opportunity to practice with different books. I would also make sure that the parent has a copy of the same low-tech page turner along with different options for them to practice whenever they want to. They can practice right before bed, which would be a great opportunity for story time. The child can be sitting upon the parent's lap, and the parent can help the child stabilize the book while the child practices their pencil grasp. Overall, I would just want to make sure that both the child, the parent, and the teacher have many opportunities and choices for the child to pick from to increase their practice for their pencil grasp. As mentioned before, this is just another opportunity for a child to practice their fine motor skills upon accessing important information, just like textbooks for school. Children with poor coordination or tremors, those recovering from hand or wrist injuries, or those with developmental delays might benefit from a low-tech page turner, just like this one. Thanks for watching.